Hi there, I'm Biancotto, and this is XMTP in a frame switch on Farcaster. So this is what we're going to build. On a frame, you're going to see your conversations. You can message and see the messages on the conversation. And also you can invite your Farcaster friends, sending a direct message on Farcaster directly. So let's get started. Let's clone this repo, and I've already done that. And we can proceed with the preview. So we're going to run yarn, and then once yarn has been done, we can run yarn dev. Here we can see that it says to test your frame, open the Farcaster frame developer tools and insert this URL. So open this, and we can insert this HTTPS localhost 3000. Under the hood, it's using local tunnel to open a tunnel to our Next.js application, and it's going to ask me for my MetaMask, but I've already connected my Ruby wallet. And I can interact on XMTP frames feature, and I can send a message. And if I want to see some console logs, I can access them via Eruda. Eruda is a mobile browser console where you can access the console, see the elements on the screen, the network, and the resources to see the localhost, and stuff like that. But let's continue our walkthrough with what you can do here. So basically, when you are developing a frame, you also will have a frame embed that will show in Farcaster. So if you use tunnel, you can view the Farcaster Frame.js embed on Farcaster like that. So you can preview frame embed using this. But let's do a different thing right now. So this is the .env example. If you edit this on your .env.local and remove the HTTPS, then we can run yarn dev local, and we can do yarn frames. Yarn frames will open a local Frames.js debugger, which you can then use to view the frame embed and interact with the frame directly on your local browser without tunneling. So this is the preview, and where is it loaded? The preview we can view here is on the public folder as frame default image, and we select the preview on source app page, where we say on the frame function we say go to the image URL API OG. So it's dynamically loaded on API OG, and it's generating a Next.js image response from a custom set of HTML and Tailwind, where you specify the image with the sizes and stuff. And then we can also add some more logic. So if, for example, you have a conversation ID, we can fetch the conversation ID and if there's the conversation ID, then show it on the screen and show a preview like you see on the Twitter cards and stuff. So how the page works is loading the default, is exporting the default function on page, which is dynamically imported without SSR. Then, if you see the home page, it's setting up the encryption key, the connection with XMTP once the wallet is connected. To connect the wallet, we are using the Farcaster frame, or if you're not in the context of Farcaster, we are going to use the wallet injected on the browser. Then we initialize the XMTP client browser using XMTP browser SDK. If you see like this, so XMTP browser SDK, and then it's showing a header where we're fetching dynamically the PFP URL of the user if he is on Farcaster. And then on home content, another dynamically loaded component, we're fetching the list of conversations on the first page load. We're showing two different components, one for the list of conversation and one for the whole conversation. And then the most interesting stuff happens here. You can fetch the messages, load the members, you can go back, you can invite user, but I'll leave you the code open so you can review it on your own. So the final version of XMTP will be like this. So you have the home page with the list of conversation, then you have the conversation page, and then you can invite also users. Okay, so that's all for now. Stay tuned for updates and see ya.